Join me as we unbox our October monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and while you're here, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. I love this box and I always love everything that comes inside. Before we open it, let me tell you just a little bit about it. The monthly essential oil recipe box is $45 a month, comes with 4 full-size oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some extra goodies that you'll need to make those recipes. Along with the monthly recipe box, you will also get a big bonus box every 6 months filled with additional supplies. Now the cost of all of this is $45 a month. You can cancel at any time, but today I have a great coupon code to share with you. If you enter in the code TheCraftyFree, you will get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. That means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can use that $45 gift card in their shop to purchase other supplies. So that is such a great deal, so make sure to hop on that at simplyearth.com. Let's take a look at what's inside. First, we're going to look at our big bonus box. Now, like I said, you get this every 6 months. So with your first box and every 6 months after. Now, when you get the box, your monthly box will come inside like this. So it'll all come shipped together in one nice box. And on the months where you just get the recipe box, it will ship in this box right here. Inside our big bonus box, we have beeswax, 100% pure. Now, whenever possible, everything with Simply Earth is 100% pure. We've got coconut oil. This is the cold pressed, so it's like a solid almond oil, and the fractionated coconut oil. So this is the liquid. Then we also get 6 roll-on bottles because every month we get a roll-on recipe, and 6 dropper bottles because every month we also get a diffuser recipe. All right, it is time. Let's see what is inside our October recipe box. We're going to open that up, break the seal, and I love this. Ooh. All right, we're going to start with the oils. We always start with the oils, and of course I have to smell them. We have bergamot. I'm so bad at describing to you how they smell. They just smell amazing. You really should get the box so you can smell them too. I don't know how to say that. Copaiba? We're gonna say copaiba. I have no idea if I'm saying that right. This one's very woodsy, very natural smelling. Well, I guess they're all natural smelling, but you know what I mean. Relief. So along with the 4 full-size bottles, you always get a blend. And that just smells heavenly. And these blends are exclusive to Simply Earth. And then we have Cajeput. Oh my gosh, they all smell so good. Those are our oils. Now let's take a look at the extra goodies we have inside. We have a little silicone mold, so I bet we'll be making some soap. We have a reusable hot and cold compress pad, and we have natural lotion base. Let's take a look at our recipes. We have a comfort compress, muscle tamer massage bar. Ooh, it's a massage bar, not a soap bar. Forts relief lotion. Home remedy diffuser blend. I love the diffuser blends. Happy feet foot soak, and mover soother roll on. Oh, these all sound so amazing. It kind of sounds like it's a sports relief theme. And then we have our stickers. I love the matching stickers. For the bottles, like for the roll-on bottle, you can see how the labels match. So it's all matching, everything goes together. And then we've got the top of the bottle stickers. So if you keep your oils in a box, You don't have to lift up each oil to see what's inside. You can just read the top of the bottle stickers. Now let's take a look. Inside every box, you'll get this little breakdown of what everything is. Here on the back, it says you are getting $211.29 worth of stuff for only $45. And that is such a great deal. And it has the theme of home remedies. I am so excited to get started on these recipes. Now, if you want to jump in on all of this essential oil fun, make sure to go to simplyearth.com, sign up for the monthly essential oil recipe box, and use that code TheCraftyFree. Thanks, everybody. Bye, and happy crafting.